Yeah, g'day everyone. So now we're up to the next stage of put all the primer sealer on. Now I'm going to bulk it up with silicone everywhere, and then I put the bandage on, and then I can start waterproofing. It'll take a bit of silicone, but you get that. I'm coming out to that shower line with the new shower. What I haven't got is a bucket. Put my rubbish in. Whoop, whoop, whoop. I need some gloves on too. So this is how you put your sausage in. Your sausage. Nah, that's cool. Like that. Put your nozzle in. Screw it up. A tip, DIYs, at the end of the day or when you've finished, unscrew your top on these sausage guns. Otherwise, what happens to me is I get glue on that thread, and I've got to be the rock to get it unscrewed. Oh. It's cool. I like it a lot. That's good. Bloody beautiful. Okay. Also use that excess up. Okay people, I'm going to carry on doing my silicone and I'll come back to you shortly. Hooroo!